To wrap up part 1, early launches mean lower ad competition and warmer audiences by peak season. Moving into part 2, we're diving straight into the winning product catalog, from high-profit bundles to premium embroidery upgrades that stand out. Let's start. The best back-to-school stores don't just sell products, they sell identity. That's why successful collections combine practical school essentials with designs that speak directly to a specific audience. Start with the backpack, lunch bag, and pencil case combination set. It's one of the strongest bundle opportunities because it covers multiple school necessities, while naturally increasing average order value. You can also add a leather pencil case as an easy upsell, or position the portable laptop bag as a premium option for college and university students. For style-focused audiences, adult high-top canvas shoes are a great fit for anime fans, streetwear communities, gamers, and aesthetic-driven niches. And don't overlook the cloth tote bag. It's affordable, practical, and something students use almost every day, making it an easy cross-sell alongside apparel or accessories. One of the biggest advantages for GearLaunch sellers is the ability to build complete collections from a growing product catalog, while also taking advantage of decoration methods beyond traditional all-over print. With embroidery, laser engraving, and liquid 3D, you can create premium-looking products that feel unique and stand out from generic school merchandise. If you're launching this month, keep your strategy simple. First, focus on a niche instead of trying to appeal to every student. Design for nursing students, architecture majors, athletes, anime fans, teachers, gamers, or any audience with a strong identity and specific interests. Second, build product ecosystems instead of standalone listings. A matching backpack, pencil case, tote bag, and shoe collection is much easier to sell than unrelated products. Third, run early bird promotions that reward customers for planning ahead. Messaging around beating shipping delays or securing limited designs early can be surprisingly effective during June. And finally, start collecting user-generated content as soon as orders begin arriving. Customer photos, reviews, and unboxing videos become powerful social proof that can dramatically improve performance during peak shopping season. The biggest mistake back-to-school sellers make is waiting until August to take action. By then, ad costs are higher, competition is stronger, and valuable audience data is harder to build. The sellers who consistently win are already preparing in June. They're launching products early, collecting customer data, testing creative, building retargeting audiences, and creating momentum before peak season arrives. So if you haven't started yet, now is the time. Browse the GearLaunch catalog, build your back-to-school collection, create product bundles, explore niche-specific designs, and take advantage of all-over print, embroidery, laser engraving, and liquid 3D decoration methods. The sooner your products go live, the more time you'll have to build an audience, generate sales, and position your store for a successful back-to-school season.